Kumusta ang first night? Sa cozy nga po ang luxurious na hotel. Kumusta ang experience? Thank you so much, Plan International. Kay dahil sa Plan International, amo lang ang pagsulod na ko sa mga hotel. This is my third times of attending sa Plan International na overall kaganda ang mga hotel na atong giupuyan. So first was the Madison Hotel, second was the Hyatt Hotel, and then the third is Alejandro Hotel. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much. Plan International, thank you so much. Okay, a wonderful morning, everyone. So I can see the faces ng mga fresh ka.
So the answer is, what is the abbreviation for experiential learning method? ELM. Ano yung era? Tama ba, Dave? Okay, ano? Sige. So 1.4, group 3. Okay, may paunahay po inin. Okay, Adina. Sige. This is in the publishing part. What do we usually share aside from reactions? Okay, ano pa? Aside from reaction, ano pa yung sinishare natin sa publishing part?
Feelings, so. F.
OMG!
Oh, kung wala sa English na counterpart, Tagalog.
Kompleto.
Okay, sige na kung malapira, yes sir. Okay, tanong tama. Group 5. Sige, continue lang, ibang din na siya. Ano ba sir? Experiencing part ng ELM. Yung first part po, ano yung binibigay natin? Engaging na ano? Singular na hayon, plural. Ikaw, pinapasikitin.
Gadget. Alcohol. Mentos and ear.
We have already a winner. We have already, okay? Group 1, they were able to have it. So aside from activity, pwede games. Okay, specify nila, games, mag-roleplay. Kakulan lang yun dito mga nito. So when they ready yan, game nila, gadget, alcohol, mentos, and ears. Okay? So game ang pwede natin ibigay. So specifically activity po siya. Okay, tag-iisa na. Habol 2 and 3. 4. Okay, next. Blank and broad questions are what we need in facilitating trainings. Blank and broad questions are what we need in facilitating trainings. So, anong kind of question? Okay, ayun na po. Doon sila na una. Okay, pag-raise. Sila. Okay, group 4. Ando na po ma. Group 4. Ano po yung answer? For notebook. Very good. So, group 2, habol po tayo. Nagawa po sila. Okay. Ready for the next word. So, open and broad questions are what we need in facilitating trainings. Okay. Next. Ask questions that are concise. Ask questions that are concise, that are blunt, concise, and easy to understand. Ask questions that are blunt, concise, and easy to understand. So, ano po yung question natin dyan? Okay. Alright, group 5. Okay, ano yung answer? Clear, ano yung mga objects ni dyan? Cellphone. Lotion. Earrings. Arm. Ring. Okay, clear. Alright, ask questions that are clear, concise, and easy to understand. So, 2 points na po yung group 5. Okay. Another. Habol-habol po. Another. So, we have here another. Okay. Blank or non-judgmental questions are questions that doesn't weigh on one side. Blank or non-judgmental questions are questions that doesn't weigh on one side. Okay, timer starts now. Blank or non-judgmental questions are questions that doesn't weigh on one side. Okay?
It's you. Ma'am,
Neutral. Sige. What's the answer? Neutral. Sige daw. What are these? Notebook.
E for ear.
Oo. And you. Uniform.
Tissue.
So, 4 and 5, 1 and 3, tag 1.
Pag-2 na. Okay. So, again, neutral or non-judgmental questions are questions that doesn't weigh on one side.
Break na lang.
Okay? Pag-break na lang ang time. Alright. In the Nasa flying part po siya, ma'am. Okay? Tapos, after natin dito, ano yung, okay, what is expected of us? May gagawin tayo. Gagawin. Okay? Starts with letter A. You have to take blank. Take blank. Okay, group 4. Sige. Okay. Sino po? Alcohol.
Candy. Okay,
Baby. Number. Ink. Orange.
Notebook.
And notebook. Okay. So, yun po. Alright? Ayun na po. Di pa lunch break. Okay? Sige. So, our winner is Group 4.
Ginhakot ang award.
Yan yan. Ngatanan yun eh.
Okay. Sige. So, before I end for the morning session, pwede po. Okay.
Dalawa sila. Nagtiro kami din sa kanila.
Next ulit naman.
May napadidibig niya.
Ay, akala ko. Anay, wait ha. Shake, man.